In this video we will learn how to add department in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on department form. Click on Add New Department button. Fill the field with required department title. Also, user can select a department head from drop-down if required. Enter department code. Enter description and click on Submit button. The department will be added in the list and shown in all department drop-downs in System. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. The user can also use Uploader to upload department titles in bulk.